everyone, my name is Brianna and welcome to my channel. These synthetic locks are from the ZRQ store on Amazon. They're 24 inches long and in the color T27. You get 8 packs in total, which comes out to a total of 96 locks. And just a heads up, they do have a bit of a corn chip smell at first, but they're pre-looped crochet locks, super soft to the touch, and the wrapping of the locks is neat and tight. Each lock has curly strands of hair mixed in. Some have 2 curls, one at the top and bottom of the lock, while others have 3 curly strands, one at the top, middle, and bottom of the lock. I already braided my hair into individual braids before installing the locks. It took me about 5 hours. I used Blue Magic coconut oil on my parts, Shine Jam on my roots, and Cantu coconut curling cream throughout the braids and on the ends to add a little curl. I ended up with around 70 individual braids. I made the parts a little bigger than I usually do so that the style wouldn't be too full and I could still put it in a ponytail. I've already crocheted most of my hair, just have 1 braid left to do. It took me about 4 hours to finish the locks, and luckily the hair came with a crochet hook, which made things easier. To start crocheting, I grab the lock I'm using and open up the pre-loop a little bit more with my pointer finger. Then I take the crochet hook, open it, and slide it under the base of my braid. Next, I hook the lock onto the crochet hook, close the hook, and I pull the lock through. Once that's done, I take out the hook, open the loop, grab both the braid and lock with my other hand and pull them through the pre-loop to create a knot. And I tighten it by pulling the braid and lock in opposite directions. After that, I insert the crochet hook into the center of the lock, about a few inches down from the start of the lock. And I push it upwards so it comes out near the top of the braid. Then I hook the end of my braid, close the crochet hook, and I pull the braid through the lock. Once it's inside, I twist the lock around the braid to tighten it and help hide the braid even more. I then repeat that step 2 to 3 times until the braid is completely tucked in. And when I get to the end of the braid, I insert the crochet hook even further down the lock, long enough to cover the rest of the braid. And then, like I said, I just repeat those steps. And that helps to make sure the braid stays secure and doesn't poke out or come out of the lock later. And once the braid is tucked in and hidden, I smooth a little Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker on the curls to keep them defined and reduce frizz. And just like that, my hairstyle is complete. It ended up taking me a total of 9 hours and I still have about 26 locks left over. I did cut a little bit of length off of the curls in the back, but not too much. And I really love how this hair turned out. This is one of my go-to styles, especially when I'm going on vacation or spending a couple days at an amusement park. Super cute and low maintenance. I also love a good side part, always a favorite for me. Okay y'all, it's been 2 weeks, so here's a quick update on the hair. I've been mainly wearing it in a half up, half down style, and it's been so cute. I've gotten a bunch of compliments. People kept asking how I did it and what the style is called. And now the hair is a little frizzier than when I first installed it, and a few of the curls have started to knot up. It's not too bad though. I've only had to cut 1 knot out so far. Overall, the hair is holding up really well. It doesn't tangle much, and I can still run my fingers through the locks and curls pretty easily. I've been using mousse daily, greasing my scalp regularly, and spraying leave-in conditioner to keep the hair fresh and avoid that outside smell. But I am still loving the hair and will most likely use it again. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know any other videos you want to see from me. And I'll see you in the next one.